Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell so it can notify you when I upload a video. And I have an unboxing. This bag, honestly, I didn't even think that I was gonna own it. I saw it on Mix for All channel, and also on 408 California 408. This bag is gorgeous, but like I said, I didn't think that I would own it. But I got my grabby little hands on it, so I'm excited. So let's get right to it. The box has the magnetic closure, and inside the box they packed it up really well. There it is. Have the booklet inside, and then it has the little cloth here that also says Chanel, and of course my receipt. Okay, let's put this down. Alright guys, this is the first time me checking it out with you guys, so sorry. Okay, much better. It was like, it looked a little foggy. Okay, so you have the the regular dust bag of Chanel, and then it has Karl Lagerfeld there, and to reveal, you guys, I seriously, I cannot believe that I got this bag. Okay, here it is. Sorry guys, taking out. Okay, and it's stuffed. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I can't even. Okay, so let me show you. Outside here is the Chanel Reissue 2.55 in the size 226, which is the medium size. There's the bottom, the side. This is, in this condition is perfect. Really good condition. And this is the top. And that's the lock right there. Beautiful. So this pocket here in the back is only has this little thing up here. Nothing in the bottom. Like you cannot put on nothing in the bottom. Then of course you have the gold hardware. And then inside you have this pocket. Then you open up the double flap to reveal the gorgeous burgundy interior. And you have one pocket here, a little pocket here, just for like a lipstick. And then you have the other pocket here. And then you have the middle. Then you also have this pocket, which here I guess I will put like my phone here, so it could be easier for me to just grab it. So this is made in France. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is so squishy. You know, I was like in between this and the Chanel medium double flap. I love that bag as well. But when I saw this, I was like, ooh, that bag looks like you could fit more stuff. And you know, you don't want to be too limited on what you could carry in your bag. Sometimes you want to carry that little extra. So with this, you can, because this is awesome. All right, so here is the authenticity card. And that's the back. And what else? Okay. The authenticity code is, I don't know if you can see it, it's like right down here. Oh. All right. It says Chanel here as well. Let's see what else. Up here, it doesn't say Chanel on the back, but it does say it here on the side. Okay. Oh, and it also has a Mona Lisa pocket here. I got it in the black, obviously, but I'm just, I can't. I can't. Oh, well, I ordered it from this site. Let's see. Leprix. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's Leprix. And they have a lot of you know, like Chanel, Louis, Hermes. They have any kind of bag, they'll have it there in that site. And the shipping was, it was free, and it was fast. It really was fast. What else? I saw a YouTuber had ordered from that site, so you know, I went in and I checked it out, and they authenticate it, and they also give you a voucher so you could authenticate it as well. But I'm gonna triple authenticate it through Mem's Treasure. Yeah, you could send them the pictures, you know, text them the pictures and stuff, and they'll get back to you. If you want a written or authenticated letter, they do that. They charge a little extra. And depending what series is the Chanel, they charge, I think it's like $5 more. What else? yeah, if you just want a verbal confirmation, they'll just give you a verbal confirmation. That's the cheapest. And yeah, I think that's about it. This seriously is my holy grail bag. Seriously, guys. Okay. Let me just give you a rough idea of what I could fit. Put this back in here. All right. I'm still using my Chanel bowling bag. And this is like ridiculous. But yeah, so I have, let's see, I can carry here. All right, so I can't show you my phone in the bag because I'm recording on it, but have my Louis Vuitton on front wallet. Put this in here. Got my wipes. Got my mini pochette. And I got my Hermes Calvi card holder. And got my Louis Vuitton round point purse. And so far, that's how it looks. I can't even like stop smiling, guys. Whew, I can't. All right, so I got my my cream from Bath and Body. It's Sunlight and Apple Trees. I love it. This moisturizes your hand, but the smell of apple that you get from here is amazing. I put it on and everybody at work, they're like, oh, what did you just put on? It's so good. So I'll put that on top, or I could just stand it there. And then this is my Longchamp. Forgot what they call this, but in here, let's see what I got in here. I got chapstick Total Hydration, Hello Botox, and then I got my Chanel lip gloss, and then I have a Chanel lipstick. It's like a berry color, really nice, really nice. And I mean, I don't know if I would want to put that here, but if I wanted to, that's what it would be like. And let's see if it closes. Yep, perfect. Look at this, guys. God, so gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And it's not popping out at all. The sides, nothing. But like if I didn't want to carry this, which I probably won't, I'll just, you know, grab a lipstick and my lip gloss, and I would put it in there just like that, and that's it. And my phone right here, and boom, I have the Samsung Galaxy 9 Plus. It'll fit perfect in there. And that's it, guys. This is the Chanel Reissue in the size 226. See these corners here? That's because like it's supposed to be like a folded bag, you know, flat. So that's why that's, you know, like that. But if, like you see here, it goes in. So if you want to like put it away, you can put it away flat, and it goes in here on the sides. But yeah, I don't think I would have to worry about like scratches, you know, or anything too crazy with this. But obviously, you know, I take care of my bags really well. So yeah, guys, that's it for my review. And if you have any questions or any comments, just leave them down below. I'll get back to you. And thank you so much for watching. And give me a thumbs up. Bye, guys.